Hey friends. I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome back to Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. If you're new here, this channel is all about embracing the joy of making, whether it's plant-based recipes, DIY crafts, gardening, or sharing real-life family moments. We celebrate the process, not perfection, learning and growing with each project. Today, we're diving into a fun and festive DIY project, crafting a patriotic red, white, and blue jute rope vase. This simple yet charming decor piece is perfect for celebrating the 4th of July and adding a touch of Americana to your home. For written instructions and a list of materials, check out the link in the video description below. So, grab your crafting supplies, and let's get started on creating this delightful patriotic vase together. You will need a mason jar, jute rope, acrylic paint or paint pens, red, white and blue artificial flowers, scissors, hot glue gun and glue sticks. Wrap with jute rope, starting at the base of the jar. Apply a small amount of hot glue and press the end of the jute rope into it. Continue wrapping the rope around the jar, adding hot glue as needed to secure it in place. Wrap until you reach the desired height, then cut the rope and glue the ends securely. Jute rope is available in various thicknesses, typically ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm, offering flexibility for different craft projects. For wrapping jars, you can choose any size that suits your aesthetic preference. Keep in mind that thicker jute rope covers more surface area with each wrap, reducing the time and effort needed to complete your project. Conversely, thinner rope provides a more delicate look but requires more wraps to cover the same area. Select the size that best aligns with your desired outcome and the level of detail you wish to achieve. Paint the jar. Once the glue has cooled and the rope is firmly attached, use acrylic paint or paint pens to decorate the jar in red, white, and blue. You can create stripes, sections, or any pattern you like. Allow the paint to dry completely. Add artificial flowers. Arrange red, white, and/or blue artificial flowers inside the jar to complete your patriotic vase. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this patriotic red, white, and blue jute rope vase. For written instructions and a list of materials, check out the link in the video description. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future DIY adventures. Remember, life is messy, and that's perfectly okay. It's all about the process, learning, and growing together. Until next time, happy crafting and keep embracing life's beautiful mess.